when it comes to handover Fridays and having everything shaped and looking perfect inside is really exciting. It's the finishing touch in this home. Everything from carpets to wardrobes to pictures and mirrors. It has it all. Our open plan living that leads straight into our dining. And from here, we get to see the beautiful details in this kitchen. But check out this gorgeous granite that flows and rolls right up the wall. Underneath, we've got the LED strips and some beautiful door panels. To the back of this home, we've got this fully glazed unit. We've got our granite workstation. You can imagine chopping veg, looking out and enjoying those garden views. This space we've designed as our utility room. We've a door leads to the outside. We've all these cupboards, but I really do love the color of this unit. Behind us in our bathroom, the bottom half of the wall have got these really white sharp tiles. Overhead, wrapping around the window, we've got this beautiful wallpaper. Old garage that was cold and tired has been transformed into house spec. Underfloor heating everywhere. This room is a movie room come a future-proof bedroom. Behind here, we've got a full wet room. Hallway storage is key, and we've designed a deep unit in this area. And once the doors close, everything looks nice and calm. Under the stairs, we've fitted in our internal air to water unit. This saves all our space in the utility room. Upstairs in this home, we've come up with a really exciting design. Ensuite completed, wardrobe fitted, and beds completely dressed. We've got garden views. It's the master bedroom. It's got the best seat in the house. To the front of our home, we've got two spacious bedrooms, and both are fully kitted out wardrobes. Behind me, we've got this luxury style bathroom, but it's this freestanding bath and the detail that really stands out. And to complement that, our vanity unit, a different color, with the same detail effect. The key points for this home, we now have a house that's designed around our clients' needs. From an efficiency perspective, we've brought this home right up to an A-rated home. From a grants point of view, we've qualified for the retrofit grant. Warranty, Sigma Homes offers at 10 years. And to top it off, it's another project finished on schedule.